In this video, I want to show you the flexible DIO configuration of ETOS. Welcome back to our series of ETOS tutorials. So today I want to show you an easy and practical function, the flexible DIO configuration. So with this, you can easily configure the digital input and output signals the way you require them. This is also available for the analog signals, but we want to talk about that in the next video. So let's take a look at the digital signals. Therefore, as always, we need our visualization, so please come with me. Okay, so we are on the home screen of ETOS. All we need to do, we need to go to the settings, and then there is the DIO configuration. So there we can find all kinds of signals that are available on this unit. So depending on the complexity of the system, that can become a quite long list. But let's take a look together. First of all, I want to draw your attention to the different lines we have. So first line, first column is the function. And in the front I have an I here. I is for input. Then if we go down a bit, we might be able to find some O's. These are for the outputs. Then we have the signal type. Signals can be from the DIO card or to the DIO card. They can also be in Modbus. Both is possible. Then the configuration simply tells us if it's a high or low active characteristic for the electric signal. And lastly, the assembly and channel gives us the chance to modify, well, to which channel or from which channel that signal will be coming. So without actually disconnecting or reconnecting wires, we can change something in the configuration. Some of these signals are pre-configured depending on what functions you ordered, you required for your system. Some are fully free, like these ones down here, the binary inputs. Now we can choose one of these, freely rename them, and select everything which is related. The same applies for the binary outputs. If we go up a bit, we can find one here. If you have more, then it's a longer list, as I mentioned. So this we can easily use to configure the digital signals in any way you want.